Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain one of ITSM improvement module, continual improvement management. It includes overview, process flow, roles, PDCA, framework. So let's start with overview. ServiceNow ITSM Continual Improvement Management is a structured approach to driving continuous improvement within IT services. It aligns with the ITIL framework and focus on enhancing IT services efficiency, effectiveness, and quality through iterative enhancements. ServiceNow ITSM Continual Improvement Management equips organization with a comprehensive set of tools designed to facilitate and streamline the continual improvement process. These tools are crucial for identifying, implementing, and tracking improvement initiatives effectively. Continual improvement management transforms improvement ideas into reality, prioritize and improve services, process, and functions by tracking them all in single destination with measurable goals, KPIs, and continual improvements dashboard. ServiceNow Continual Improvement Management enables customers to drive new levels of service efficiency by automatically initiating and tracking service improvements across the enterprise. Take continual improvement from theory to reality with a structured framework that brings together people, processes, and data in one place to achieve service excellence in any process. Extend improvements to service desk agents with the coaching plugin that delivers real-time coaching at critical moments in their task. Built-in integration enables you to receive processes improvement ideas from any application or employee. A content-rich workbench then prioritize and rank initiatives. Service owners can configure KPIs and dashboard to measure effort and outcome in relation to overall business goals. Then process flow. The process flow starts with a new improvement request. A need for improvements is identified in the environment and new improvement request is submitted by a user within improvement requester role. The improvement manager then verifies that the new improvement request aligns with the least one company's strategic objective and assigns an improvement coordinator before accepting the improvement as valid. The assigned improvement coordinator is notified that the improvement request has been accepted. There is typically more than one improvement coordinator in a company since that role is responsible for implementing and tracking the progress of assigned improvement initiatives at a task level, and there can be many tasks per improvement. Once accepted, the improvement manager sets the remaining attributes on the improvement initiative form and progresses it to be the assessed for approval by the you can say that approver group members. During assessment, users in the approver group are notified of approval request. One or all of the approver group members evaluate the improvements attributes and either approve or reject the improvement. Once approved the once approved the improvement, the improvement coordinator and improvement manager work together to determine whether work is needed to ready the improvement for implementation. During implementation, the improvement coordinator creates and assign phases and can create tasks directly from initiative or form a phase to complete the improvement. The improvement coordinator works with the task owners uh, to track the progress of task completion. Records for other supported applications can also be created from within the improvement initiative or CIM task if needed and are typically shown in the you can say the related list in the improvement initiative or CIM task. If for some reason implementation for the improvement has been halted, the improvement manager or improvement coordinator can place the improvement on hold. All CIM tasks that are not closed or cancelled are also placed on hold. You can cancel a CIM initiative at any stage when the initiative is in progress. When you cancel an initiative, the initiative as well as the task associated with the initiative move to closed incomplete. The improvement coordinator places the improvement under review when all CIM tasks in all CIM phases are verified 100% complete. The improvement manager reviews the improvement completeness and sets improvement to closed. Then roles. There are different roles. You can say that of continual improvement management like improvement requester, improvement manager and improvement coordinator. Improvement requester you can say that is able to perform uh, for these functions like create improvement initiative, verify my CIM request, view watch CIM request, view all CIM request. Then if we talk about the improvement manager, then he's able to perform all the functions for improvements to which they are assigned as improvement coordinator. Improvement you can say that coordinator except create enterprise strategies, delete improvements. So this is about the improvement coordinator role role. Then the next is improvement manager. Improvement manager is able to perform all application functions. The improvement manager is primarily responsible for all improvements, including initial acceptance of new improvement, request, assignment, and closure. The improvement manager also monitors the overall progress of all improvements. Then PDCA framework. It provides a structured approach to problem solving and process optimization, ensuring that improvements are planned, implemented, monitored, and refined systematically. So, PDCMA framework include plan, do, check, and act. Plan. The objective of plan is to identify improvement opportunities and develop a detailed plan to address them. It uses data from ServiceNow modules like incident, problem, and change to identify areas needed improvement. Set you can say that you can set clear measurable objectives for the improvement initiatives aligning with business goals. Then we create detailed action plans outlining the steps needed to achieve the objectives, including timelines, resources, and responsibilities. Then risk assessment, conduct a risk assessment to identify potential challenges and develop you can say that mitigation strategies. Then you can set KPIs and matrices, define KPIs and matrices to measure the success of the improvement initiative. Then the next is do. The objective of do is to implement the improvement plan and execute the action steps. It executes the action plans as outlined in the planning phase, ensures all stakeholders are informed and involved as necessary. Then allocate the required resources including personal, tools and budget to support the implementation. Then communicate the plan to all relevant parties and provide necessary trainings to ensure successful execution. Track the progress of implementation against the plan, ensuring adherence to timelines and objectives. Then check. The objective of the check is to monitor and evaluate the result of implemented action to assess their effectiveness. Gather data on performance of the improvement initiatives using the predefined KPIs and matrices. Compare the actual result against the planned objectives to determine the effectiveness of the action taken. Then identify any deviation from the plan and understand the reason behind them. Then gather feedback from stakeholder and team members on the implementation process and outcomes. Then act. The objective of act is to take action based on the evaluation to standardize unsuccessful you can say that successful improvements or adjust plans as necessary. If the improvement initiative is successful, standardize the process and practices that led to desired outcomes. Document the lesson learned, best practices and any challenge encountered during the cycle. If the result did not meet the objective, identify the gaps and make necessary adjustments to plan. Develop new action steps based on insight gained. Use the findings from the cycle to inform the next PDCA cycle, ensuring continuous improvement. The PDCA framework provides a robust structure for driving continual improvement within ServiceNow ITSM. By systematically planning, implementing, checking, and acting on improvement initiatives, organization can achieve sustained achievements in service quality, operational efficiency, and alignment with business objectives. So that's all about continual improvement management. In my next video, I will explain another ITSM improvement modules, KPI Composer. Thank you.